Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate coffee with cocoa powder. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready for a smooth process. You'll need 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 cup of hot, freshly brewed coffee, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Having these items measured out beforehand makes the preparation quick and easy. This simple recipe creates a delightful beverage perfect for any time of day. Now let's create the rich chocolate base. In your favorite mug, combine the 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder with the 2 tablespoons of sugar. Next, pour in just a small splash of your hot coffee, about 1/4 of a cup. Stir this mixture thoroughly until it forms a thick, smooth paste. This step is crucial for preventing lumps and ensuring a consistent chocolate flavor throughout your drink. With your chocolate paste ready, it's time to finish your hot chocolate coffee. Slowly pour the rest of your hot coffee into the mug, stirring continuously as you add it. Make sure everything is thoroughly mixed so the chocolate is evenly distributed. For an extra creamy texture, consider adding a splash of milk or cream. You can also top it with whipped cream for a special treat. This recipe is incredibly versatile, so feel free to customize it to your taste. Try adding a pinch of cinnamon or a tiny dash of chili powder for an interesting kick. You can also experiment with different sweeteners, like a teaspoon of vanilla extract or a drizzle of maple syrup. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience. Enjoy your delicious, homemade hot chocolate coffee.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.